Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and use gesture navigation on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to enable or use gesture navigation on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to enable simple settings. So open settings app and here just scroll down and look for system management, select it, and here just select system navigation, and here you just have to enable gesture navigation. Just tap on it and it will be enabled, and after that you can easily use gesture navigation. So let's see how can you use this. You just have to pull it from your corner to go back, and if you want to go to home scene, so just pull it up and you'll get your home scene. Now let's see how we can get our recent tab. Just hold and pull it up to get your recent tab. You can easily close them. So that's how you can easily use your gesture navigation in Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.